Now first one, 10 persons are sitting in two parallel rows and containing 5 people each in such a way that there is an equal distance. Now tell me whether it comes under the first or the second priority. Definitely under the first priority because it is PO mains. And so 5 persons were there. And who are the persons here? BD, HO, J. And all of them are facing south. Now in this row, BD, HO, J. And this is the other row. Now in this row, who are the persons here? And PQ are absent. Now P2T are facing towards north. And 5 persons like different types of colors. And red, white and so on. And different type of flowers. Isn't it? And colors were there, flowers were there. No two successive persons like flowers and no two successive persons like any color. Isn't it? That means in one of the row, there are 3 persons who like flowers and in the next row, 2 persons colors. In the other row, 3 persons flowers and in this row, 2 persons flowers. Clear? Then, and D sits to the immediate right of the one who likes dahlia. Now D is to the immediate right of the one who likes dahlia. Now D, dahlia and D must be here. That means D must like what? D must like a color. Because 2 flowers cannot be adjacent to each other. D is to the immediate right of the one dahlia. D neither faces Q nor S. Now D is not opposite to Q and S. And next one, P sits out to the left of the one who likes rose. Now this P seated out to the left of the one who likes rose. Now rose is here. And P is out to the left of the one who likes rose. And the one who likes yellow sits second to the left of B. And sits second to the left of B. Now B's second left is yellow. And B's second left is yellow. And B must like a color. Because alternate must be the same. Hence B a color, yellow a color, and D is adjusted. D is again a color. Hence B and D must be in alternate places. Follow out. Now B is here, D is here. Now D is here, dahlia must be here. And 4 persons were covered here. Then person who likes flower does not face the one who likes flower. Only one person between O and the one who likes bloom. O and bloom. R sits to the immediate left of the one who likes blue color. R is to the immediate left of the one who likes blue color. R does not like rose. T faces the one who sits second to the left of the one who likes white. The one who likes rose does not sit at any other row. Rose is not at any other row. And T faces the one who sits second to the left of the white. And the one who likes red and the one lotus are immediate neighbors. The one who likes red and lotus, they are immediate neighbors, and only one person sits between J and the one who likes tulip. And J does not sit immediate to the left of B, isn't it? J is not to the left of B. J does not like dahlia color as well. And neither Q nor S likes rose. O does not face Q. Then, now this is a definite information. And now I can start here. Then dahlia is at this place. Because more number of persons were there. Now this is D, yellow, and if D is yellow, next one this must be a flower, this is another flower. And again, if D is here blank and this must be B. B is at this place. Now E information madam. Then next one, NP and R. Now D sits to the immediate right of the one dahlia. D neither faces Q nor S. Now Q and S cannot be adjusted. D neither faces Q nor S. P sits out to the left of the one who likes rose. Now P is seated out to the left of the one who likes rose. Then P is seated out to the left of the one who likes rose. Rose is here. Isn't it? Because color and 2 colors cannot be opposite. 2 flowers are not opposite. Hence rose, out to the left is P. Then out to the left of this one is P. And the one who likes yellow sits second to the left of B. And second to the left of the yellow. And person who likes flower does not face the person who likes flower. Only one person between O and the one who likes blue color. Now between O and the one who likes blue color, there must be exactly one. and O and the one who likes blue color, and there must be exactly one person must be there. And O and the one who likes blue color. O ekkada undali cheppandi? Only one person between O and the one who likes. Only one person sits between O and the one who faces blue. O and the one who faces blue. Blue కి opposite ఎవరు ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? And blue కి opposite flower must be there, isn't it? Then there is only one person between O and the one who faces blue. And O is here and O's opposite and the one and blue there must be exactly. As rose is here, my blue ekkada undali, and what are the possibilities? Now blue can be here, or blue can be here, or blue can be here. Ante kada? Then R does not like rose. R does not like rose. R cannot be at this place as of. Q, R, S cannot be here. P cannot be here. Then who must be here? T must be. Saripinda? And T is here. And T faces the one who sits second to the left of the one who likes white. T is facing the one who sits just now and sits second to the left of the one who likes white. Then the one who likes rose does not sit at any one of the extreme ends. Saripinda. And the one who likes red and the one lotus are immediate neighbors. Red and lotus are immediate neighbors to each other. Red and lotus are immediate neighbors to each other, and red and lotus are immediate neighbors to each other, and at the same time only one person between J and the one who likes tulip. J and the one who likes tulip, there must be exactly one person. And J can be either here, either at the left end or at the right end or at the center. Ante kada? And J does not sit immediate left of B. J is not an immediate left of B, and J does not like dahlia flower. Now J cannot be here. Now J cannot be here, J cannot be here, hence J must be here. Saripinda? J is not immediate left of B, and it is not dahlia. And if J is here, one person between J and tulip. Tulip is here. Now white and lily and red and tulip are adjacent to each other. Red and lotus. Now where can we have this red and lotus here? Rose ikkada undi. Rose ikkada unte next lotus ekkada unnado cheppandi? Lotus must be here, isn't it? Red and lotus. Red can be either here or red can be here. There are two possibilities. Then now rose and P we have done with this one, and D dahlia. Neither Q nor S. O is not facing Q. O is not facing Q here. What is the point we have left over? R. R sits immediate left of the one who likes blue color. R is the immediate left of the one who likes blue color. Blue cannot be here. Blue cannot be here. Hence blue must be here. Blue is here. R must be here. And if R is here, P, R, T. Then last one. O does not face Q. As O is not facing Q, and where should this Q be? Neither Q nor S likes rose, and T likes rose. The one who likes rose does not sit at any one of the extreme ends. And red and the lotus are immediate neighbors. One person between J and the tulip. And J does not sit immediate left of B. J does not like dahlia. Neither Q nor S likes rose. O does not face Q, isn't it? Then T faces the one who sits second to the left of the one who likes white color, and faces the one, and the one like rose does not sit at the extreme end. R sits immediate left of the one blue, and R does not like white color. And next one, only one person between O and the one who faces the person who likes blue. Only one person between O and the one, only one person between O and the one who faces blue. And if O is here, then who is the other person here? H is the person left. And if H is the person left over here, then now this P must be red color. Blue is not possible. And if this is red, blue, and what is the color left over? Green is the color left over. Now we are left with Q and S. And neither Q nor S like. O does not face Q. Q cannot be here, Q is here. Now Q is here. And one more flower that is left over is lily. J likes lily. And J likes lily. Now this is about question numbers 1 to 5. మా 6th one చేశారా? Now it is a blood relation question. And 6, 7 to 9. And 6th one definitely under the first priority is in single blood relation. 7 to 9. And Shilaj and any doubts in these three? 7 to 9. The next one 10 to 14. As 10 to 14. As 10 to 14, shall I start with this one 10 to 14? Now here there are some 7 boxes A, B, C, D, F and G and likes different colors and placed one above the other, isn't it? And the topmost is 2 and so on till the topmost box is 7. Now the numbers are also clearly given. Now 7, 6, 5, 4, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 to n. Now these are the 7 boxes you have and 7 boxes and they were stacked one above the other and each one of them is of different color as well. And they get color each. Then coming to condition number 1. First time now in this condition number 1 and F is placed immediately below C. F is placed immediately below C, F and C must be together. More than 2 boxes below the black box. More than 2 boxes below the black box. Now below this black box, more than 2. More than 2 means and greater than 2. Greater than 2 below this black box. And below this black, there must be greater than 2. Isn't it? And box E is placed above black. Now E is above this black color. And the box which is red placed immediately below G. Now this red is immediately below G and that must be like. And one box between B and black. Now between B and black color, how many boxes you have? B and black is exactly one box. And A is placed immediately below pink. And immediately below this pink colored box, A is here. And white color box is placed below F. Now below this F, white color. White is below this F. And only 2 boxes between white and blue. Now between white and blue, how many are there? There must be exactly 2. White and blue, there must be exactly 2 boxes. And green is not placed on the top. And E is placed immediately below B. Immediately below B, what is this one? And E is immediately below B. These 2 must be together. And E is placed, there are 2 boxes between red and black colored box. Now between red and black there must be exactly 2. A is not black colored box. Mean they get information. Mechanism start cheyadam cheppandi. Now C, F and white to start cheddamo. Now C and F. Now C and F. Below this black there must be more than 2 boxes. More than 2 below this one and more than 2 means and minimum 3. Now we can have black at this place, isn't it? Or black can be at this place. As of now, let us work out with these 2 possibilities, isn't it? Now above this black, there are B and E. Hence only 2 possibilities we have. And B and E, B is here, E is here. Now this is the black. In this one, 2 possibilities, B, E, B. In this case, we are getting 2 possibilities. Here we are getting only 1 possibility. Then and between B and black, there is exactly 1. And B and black is exactly 1. This is B and this is. Must help enough. B and black is exactly 1. Then white and blue, there must be exactly 2. Now here, below this black, more than 2, B and E happen, C, F and white. Now C and F must be adjacent to each other. And after this C and F, then we need to have red color. C and F, then red color, C and F, then white. Then what are the different possibilities for C and F? Can we have C and F? C and F must be adjacent to each other. Now below this F we need to have white color. And white and blue we need to have exactly 2. Then if you take blue at this place, white, then between white and blue, 2 is not possible. And so it is white and white must be. Now follow avutunnaru ledha? And white ekkada unte white ki blue ki how many boxes? 2 boxes. Now blue must be here. Then coming back to this one. Now if you take C at this place, undacha ledha C? And C is here and F is here. This is one such possibility. Then Now C and F, below this one white and blue. And white and blue, how many boxes must be there? Exactly 2 boxes. Then where can we have this white? Now below this black color, more than 2. C and F. And white and blue, there must be exactly 2. Exactly 2 between white and blue. And pink and A are adjacent to each other together. And immediately below this pink cannot be here, and pink can be here. Pink is here. అంతే కదా pink. Pink ఇక్కడ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం రావాలి చెప్పండి, A will be here. Then what are the boxes left over here? A, B, C, D and G. D and G are left over. Any information between D and G? And G, red is immediately below this G. Red is immediately below this G is here. Red must be. సరిపోయిందా? Then D is left over. And if D is left over, A is not a black colored box. And there are 2 boxes between red and black. Red and black, there are 2 boxes. Now red and black, there are 2, that is not possible here. Now red and black, in Japan, there are 2 boxes between red and black. Isn't it? And this case is ruled out. Now black is here. There are 2 boxes between red and black, red is. Now if red is here, white is here. And white is here, red and G. Now G must be this way. Then G and red, then white and blue. How many must be there? 2. And black and blue must be 2 in the line. Then next one, pink and A. Now where can we have this pink? Pink is here. Now this is A. Then which is left over here? D. D is here. Then we are left with 2, B and E. Now between B and E is placed immediately below B. My new information here, only 1 box in between black and B. E is placed immediately. There are 2 boxes between red and black. A is not a black colored box. And now we are left with green. Now green gunchi eda information. What is that information we have regarding this green? And green is not at the top. As green is not at the top, green is here. If green is here, the left or violet is at the top. Then critical division. Now this is about question numbers 10 to 14. Then next one, question number 15. Now in this 15th one, the principal instructed all the teachers to be careful in the class, because some students may disturb other students. Some of the students may disturb other students, and that is the reason the principal instructed all the teachers to be very careful. Now before instructing to the teachers, what was there in the principal's mind should be taken as the assumption. అవునా కదా, వాళ్ళకి ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు, వాళ్ళకి జాగ్రత్తలు చెప్తున్నప్పుడు ఈయన మనసులో ఏ ఉద్దేశంతో జాగ్రత్తలు చెప్తారు. ఇన్ కేసు ఈయన చెప్పిన ఉద్దేశం, ఈయన చెప్పిన జాగ్రత్తలన్నీ వాళ్ళు పాటిస్తారని అనుకున్నాడా లేదా? పాటించగలరని అనుకున్నారు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళతో చెప్తారు. లేదనుకుంటే చెప్పేవారే కాదు. నిజంగా then the teachers may handle the situation properly. May handle the situation properly, and they may respect the naughty students and అనుకున్నాడా లేదా? Yes. And this is the assumption. Now in order to control the naughty students, and this is the reason why the principal has instructed all the teachers to be very careful regarding those students. Then, and the students will welcome the decision. Whether students will welcome the decision or they do not welcome the decision, and whether this principal is thinking about that one or not, that is not clearly known. మనం ఎవరి అజంప్షన్ తీసుకోవాలి? ప్రిన్సిపల్ అజంప్షన్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ చెప్పినప్పుడు స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరూ దీన్ని వెల్కమ్ చేస్తారని ప్రిన్సిపల్ అనుకున్నాడా? ఏమని అనుకున్నారు? టీచర్స్తో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను కాబట్టి ఆయన ఉద్దేశం ప్రకారం టీచర్లు అయితే పిల్లల్ని హ్యాండిల్ చేయగలరు అని ఈయన అనుకున్నాడు. Hence only one, and no information about whether the students will welcome or not in the mind of this principal. And so what is the answer here? 1 alone, 15th one. Then 16th one చేస్తున్నారు కదా. Now 16 individual question. Then next one 17 onwards, and data sufficiency 17 to 20. And next one 24. Then coming to question number 21 to 23, you have done with this one or not? Okay, no? Now 21 to 23. Anyone please? Ma cheppandi doubt unde toraga cheppali. 21 to 23. Now here, now the only thing where you need to take care of for this one is now G and numbers. Now what are the numbers given here? G is 10 meters. Now here 5 only 10. 5 has become 10 means into 2. Now 8 has become 16 into 2. 12 has become 22. That is plus how much? Plus 10. 18 has become 21. That means east and west you need to add 10 to the numbers given in the bracket, and to these two symbols, percentage and dollar, north and south, then you need to multiply with 2. Enough? And you need to multiply this one with 2. Clear? Then next one, 24th one. Now in this 24, now course of action means how to solve the given problem. And many students who passed SSC could not get admission in the junior college, and due to less number of seats in the college. As a less number of seats were there, and so all the persons who have passed this SSC could not get the admission. Andarki admission aithe raaledu. Isn't it? Then next thing cheyali. Then they have to continue their academics. Then what is the next step? The government should arrange additional seats in the colleges for the students immediately. Isn't it? Now this year, and they have more number of students who have passed, hence if they have created this year. Next year what happens? And just for one example, can they do this one? వాళ్ళు చేయగలరా? మరి ఈసారి ఏమో పేపర్ ఈజీగా ఉందేమో ఎక్కువ మంది పాస్ అయిపోయారు. మరి నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ మళ్ళీ ఎలా ఉండొచ్చు? కానీ ఈసారి కొత్తగా మనకి ఎక్కువ సీట్స్ కానీ పెడితే నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ మళ్ళీ సీట్స్ ఖాళీ ఉండిపోవచ్చు. Isn't it? Hence, now this is not the immediate effect of this one, the course of action. The students who did not get the admission, we are talking about the students who did not get the admission in the junior and should be advised to get admission in professional. That means as of now the professional courses are already established and there were seats in the professional courses. Hence, now the immediate effect will be this, immediate course of. My other first దాంట్లో చూడండి, వీళ్ళకి ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు మళ్ళీ సీట్స్ అన్నీ అడిషనల్గా అరేంజ్ చేస్తే ఎంత టైం పడుతుందో తెలియదు. అవునా కదా? ఆ పర్మిషన్స్ అవన్నీ వచ్చి సీట్స్ అన్ని అలొకేషన్ అయ్యే టైంకి అండ్ వీళ్ళు అకాడమిక్స్ ఇయర్ అవుతుందో లేదో తెలియదు. అవునా కదా? మనకి ఇమీడియట్ స్టెప్ ఏంటి, దీనికి సొల్యూషన్ సెకండ్. అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ సీట్స్ were there. Please go and join them. Or those who are not getting the seats. మా సీట్స్ కూడా ఎలా ఇస్తారు? అకార్డింగ్ టు మెరిట్ లిస్ట్. And these persons could not able to get the required merit. Hence for those people, they have to go for another professional course. Only to 24.